Welcome. Today we are diving into the world of ATLAS.ti, and by watching this video till end you will be ready to conquer your data like never before. Because I'm gonna show you how to download, install and activate ATLAS.ti in your computers. I am Dr. Muhammad Awais and you're watching Dr. Square. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to this channel. Now let's get started. Go to ATLAS.ti original website, which is atlasti.com, ATLASTI.com. I have given the link of this website in the description of this video as well. At the top right corner, hit at try for free. Just hit at here to start your free trial. You need to create an account. For that, just give your email address and then password that you want to set. Your password should contain at least 8 characters, and one of those 8 characters should be a lowercase letter, an uppercase letter and a number. Then continue. Atlas.ti will send you an email at the given address to confirm you are the owner of that address. So just open the inbox of your email. This is the email that I received from Atlas.ti. We need to verify our account by hitting at verify your account here. Here you go. You just activated your Atlas.ti trial license. Now we need to download the software. For Windows, you can go to this link, and for Mac, here is the link. And to open the web version of Atlas.ti without getting it installed in your computers, you can explore this option. I'm using my Windows, so I'm gonna click here. I have created a folder at my desktop named Atlas.ti where I want to save the downloaded file. Hit save. The file is being downloaded. While the file is being downloaded, let's explore the system requirements. So as the trial version is identical to the full version, this is very important. You will enjoy all the features that a premium user enjoy. And for technical requirements, go to this link. System requirements, scroll down. 64-bit architecture is required for Windows and for Mac. So you can explore the system requirements by going to this link. I have added this link in the description of this video as well. So the file has been downloaded. The size of this file is 562 MB. Now to get the software installed, you need to run this setup. Welcome to Atlas.ti setup version 24, which is the latest version. Hit next if you want to continue. You make sure you have checked this box, I accept the agreement. Ideally speaking, you should read this agreement before agreeing to it. Yes, I accept, and then hit next. I will install this software in the default location. You can browse to select any other location and then install. It will take a few minutes to get it installed. It depends upon your system speed. Now the software has been installed. I want to run the software right now, so just launch atlas.ti and then hit close. You will be prompted to sign in. So the software is being run. You need to log in with the same credentials that you used while signing up for the trial license. Go to login, give the same email, and then hit at login. So I have 5 trial days left on my trial license. Start atlas.ti. If you want to take a quick tour, go to this link. If you want to read the user manual, go to this link. And if you want to explore the sample projects, explore here. If you want to watch the video tutorials, explore this link. And if you want to take the group training and individual sessions, explore the atlas.ti academy. Visit the official website of atlas.ti otherwise. You are all set to create a new project to explore the wonders of atlas.ti. As I told you, you will enjoy all the features that all premium users of atlas.ti have for 5 free trial license days. explore it free for 5 days, and then consider purchasing the premium license if you really like it. The bottom line is now you are equipped with ATLAS.ti. If you find any problem, we are here to help you every step of the way. Make sure you have subscribed to this channel and stay tuned for more such insights. Happy analyzing!